Good morning and Shabbat Shalom. Welcome to my home and to today's Get Ready and Prep with Me for Shabbat. We are getting it all done and it's actually a special Shabbat. When is it not? Because this one is actually just me and my husband and my baby. But let's call it a romantic Shabbat because my older two boys are having a sleepover at their grandparents' house on Friday. So I thought it'd be really fun actually to try something a little bit different and kind of make it more like a special, you know, more grown-up feeling Shabbat. And on that note, look at these gorgeous roses. Like, are you kidding me? Trader Joe's knocking it out of the park today. So it's Thursday morning right now. I got a lot to do, always. Tons of dishes and cleaning this kitchen, getting ready so that the house is all clean and tidy for Shabbat. And of course, got to set the table and everything with my beautiful roses. And I have some gorgeous Judaica to show you guys. I feel like I've had so much recently, but I think because like Passover is coming and Jewish holidays, a lot of these Jewish artists are just excited to, you know, show their things with you guys. So I'm excited to show them to you. So today I have this, are you ready for this? Giant box from Gift. And they are actually local to the DC area. I'll put all the links below, but let me show you the gorgeous Challah Board, Challah cover, and a few other things that they sent me because it's actually perfect for like a gorgeous adult Shabbat. I'm so excited to use it tonight. So I'm gonna show you guys that and then we're gonna do the table. Okay, so I'm just unwrapping everything here and I'll show you really quick. And actually the first thing that they sent me, look at this wrapping paper by the way. I love all this thing. Is this gorgeous shalom sign. It says shalom in Hebrew and English. And I actually just had a fun idea. This is like you could hang it in your home. I want to give this away. The world needs a little piece right now and I want to send this to one of you. So if you have an address in the US that I can send it to, just comment down below if you want to enter and I'll just do like a random, you know, you put in the computer and it pops out a thing. One of the comments below and I'll send you guys, one of you guys, this sign. Why not? Okay, so in this gorgeous box, look at this. Look at this challah cover. So it says Shabbat v'Yom Tov, which is actually really nice because then when it's a Yom Tov, like Rosh Hashanah for example, you can still use it. Anyways, it is this gorgeous velvety fabric. And I was just thinking my nephew's bar mitzvah coming out, would be such a nice bar mitzvah gift or a wedding gift. And what I love about this is a lot of my Judaica is a very like feminine, I would say, you know, like I picked it out obviously. This has a very masculine side to it to me. And I think that this would be really good, especially for like tonight's or tomorrow night's more elevated, you know, adult Shabbat. Like this is stunning. And they also sent me this Challah Board. Can you guys see the sparkle on here? It says, oh, now you're seeing my camera. It says Shabbat v'Yom Tov again. It's got this beautiful traditional design while also being like elevated and modern. Gorgeous feet. And this is actually a little bowl for salt. I'm not sure if I've ever talked about this on my channel, but it's traditional to dip your challah in salt before eating it. So this has a lot of like a really good mix of a traditional and updated modern design. This is gorgeous. Gift is local to the DC area. You can also check them out on Instagram. Yeah, let's get this Shabbat table ready. So up first, of course, I'm going to arrange my flowers. This is kind of always how I start things when I'm setting the Shabbat table. It's my favorite part, and it honestly just kind of inspires me to set the rest of the table. Like it already feels special and exciting just with this lovely bouquet. I don't know, is it just me? Do I love flowers too much? Probably. But these roses from Trader Joe's really were amazing. And this gold vase is just from Target, but I mean, it's gorgeous, right? So I think the total of the flowers was maybe like $12 altogether. And then I'm just tidying up the table. Things are always randomly there because I'm shooting things for Instagram and whatnot. And then the last piece I love to do when I'm all finished with the table is to put out the Shabbat candles and the wine and the challah. Good morning. I woke up like this. It's about 7, like it's 7 in the morning. Everybody is still asleep. It's Friday morning, so I'm going to do my best with like 15 minutes to get this kitchen in order. My husband did the dishes last night, which he often does, but we had a big pile up, so I'm very thankful for that. And now I just have to put them away. so that I can cook and get ready with a clean slate. If you hear my doggies whining, it's because they want their breakfast. So time for my least favorite chore, which is dishes and putting away dishes. Anybody else? Like, I don't mind laundry, I don't mind, I don't know, whatever else there is to do in the day, but dishes just really get to me. Like, they just never end. But of course, try to be thankful. We have food on our table and we're lucky for that. But I thought I would chat with you guys a little about TV shows randomly. That's just what's on my mind right now, and what's on my mind as I'm cleaning the dishes. We have been binge watching Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, of course. The beginning of the season, I'm just gonna say, was terrible. Not good. Didn't like it at all. Almost gave up on it, but I was like, you know what, I love the series so much, I just have to keep going. And when you hit episode 5, but it does take till 5, it finally gets good. And then by the finale, it's amazing. So I don't know what went on with those writers and why 1, 2, 3, and 4 were so blah and boring, but keep watching, guys, it's amazing. And other than that, we've also been binging Inventing Anna, which is so good, so binge-worthy, and the actress, what's her name, Julia Gardner, is amazing, and Jewish, by the way. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's about 7:15. I need to start making the kids lunches for school and everything, and I have to get everything all packed for them to go to their sleepover tonight, which they're gonna love. And one thing I want to chat with you guys really quickly about is I get asked a lot about how to make Shabbat special if it's just like you and your partner, or you don't have kids, or if it's just you yourself. And I always say I have a little three-part method that no matter what size your family is or what's going on, this is my steps to make Shabbat special. 1, fresh flowers. Makes such a difference. 2, clean house. And if you can't do the whole house, just the kitchen or wherever you're eating. And 3, to have a nice meal. And that doesn't mean it has to be home cooked and 10 courses. It could be your favorite takeout spot or whatever it is, but just some fresh flowers, a clean kitchen, and a nice meal can be amazing. So I'm excited for Shabbat tonight. It's gonna be different and quieter. We do still have a little baby with us, but yeah, it'll definitely be different. But we are going into the weekend of Purim. I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up, but in the weekend of Purim, it's gonna be lots of family time, craziness, and kids. So it's kind of nice to ease into that with a little quiet Shabbat. So I'm excited for that. All right, let's keep going. Time to get those kids to school. So I'm about to start cooking the dinner, but I want to show you guys what the table looks like all set up and ready to go. I still wanted to have dinner in the dining room, of course. I think it makes it so much more special for Shabbat, even though it's just me and my husband. But yeah, it's of course we got to use this space. All right, let me show you what I did. Okay, as it's just us two, I just set these 2 plates over here. I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did, but my baby is here too, but obviously he doesn't sit at the table yet, although he's not too far off. Candlesticks, these are the ones handed down to me from my grandmother and then to my mom. And this is a siddur that just has the blessings in it. I picked this one because look at that gold edging, so nice. A kippah for my husband. This is our new plates. I think I mentioned them. They're from Target. I think they're so pretty. And all of the gold flowers from Target too. And then this is the gorgeous challah cover from Gift. I just put it this way so you guys can see the challah looking all pretty, but of course tonight we'll have it like this. And then challah and Challah Board. And then Kiddush cup, the gorgeous flowers. This vase, by the way, is Target as well. And then the other side. So there you go. All set and ready. A little bit of a romantic vibe. And yeah, a little Shabbat, just the 2 of us. So on the menu for tonight's dinner is fajitas. I know, not really traditional for Shabbat, but it's me and my husband's favorite meal probably, or at least one of them. So I thought it'd be fun to make it for tonight. So I'm just chopping up some veggies and onion, and then I'm gonna do chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. Usually I would use chicken breast, but we had them, and I think it just tastes just as good, if not better. And then I just use a fajita seasoning on them, and then I love to have fresh avocado and lime and that sort of thing to complement it with tortillas. So yeah, so I'm sorry it's not a super traditional Shabbat dinner, but it's what me and my husband like eating and what we felt like, and still a nice home cooked dinner. So yeah, so just take the chicken, stir fry it in a pan with some olive oil. My dog's like, yes please. And then I'm gonna add the veggies in and plate it up. Super simple and delicious. And this is how I'm plating it. I love to just elevate things with a fancy platter. Oh my goodness, it makes a huge difference. You'll see in the end. And here is the dinner all done. I just plated it on this serving dish we actually got for our wedding from one of my best friends, with some limes and avocado and the corn tortillas. And yeah, so not a traditional Friday night menu for sure, but one that we love. So that is us all set for Shabbat. The big boys are at their grandparents', but my littlest one, actually let me move this before the dogs jump up on the island and eat the dinner. My littlest one is all dressed up for Shabbat, so I'll show you guys. You say Shabbat Shalom? Huh? You're so cute. He's wearing this like polo onesie. It's so cute. Yeah. Zachary, by the way, is 4 months. Bless you. 4 months old. Can you believe it? Look at this big boy. You're growing up so fast. It's just surreal to me. Me and my husband were discussing this. Like, 4 months seems like such a short time, but it feels like he's been here for so long. And I think it's because his birthday came right before Hanukkah, New Year. Like, all this stuff has happened. We went to LA and Disneyland, so I just feel like we've done so much since he's been here. So it's made it feel like he's been here for so long. I can't believe he's only 4 months. I can't believe he's already 4 months. Yeah. So that's Shabbat for us. I can't believe how quiet the house is right now, so I'm just gonna go enjoy a little bit of quietness. Yeah, when you go from 3 kids to 1 kid, it feels like a very quiet house. And what else? Coming up next will be our Purim vlog. Are you gonna be the Hulk? Hulk! And that should be really fun. And oh my goodness, yeah, that's what's going on here. Yeah, I hope all you guys are doing well. Hope you're all healthy and good. That's all. Thanks for hanging out with me and helping me get ready for Shabbat, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.